Welcome to Chaudhary Clinic and Acupuncture Center, Toronto and Mississauga. Today our topic is what is acupuncture and its benefits. Acupuncture is traditional Chinese way of healing from the disease. According to Chinese theory, there are two forces in human body. One is called yin and second one is called yang. The balance of these two forces are very important. Once the balance becomes disturbed due to dryness, heat, cold and dampness, anxiety, depression, trauma, or irregular diet, we become sick. According to Chinese theory, there is every organ have its own energy and it's travel through a pathway, a meridian. A registered acupuncturist may find out from your pulse and tongue where chi is obstructed or which organ have problem in your body, and he will put disposable acupuncture needle on special pathway or meridian to remove that obstruction, and then there is free flow of chi in your body and you become healthy. For more information you can visit our website www.chaudharyclinic.ca, or you can call us at 416 778 1390.